Namaste everyone. I'm Dr. Murali Manohar Chirumamilla, your Ayurvedic wellness expert. In this episode, I'm sharing a special audio presentation on a topic that is vital for your health and well-being. Let us dive into that topic.
Take control of the paw. Natural solutions for excessive sweating. Have you ever found yourself in a cool air-conditioned room, yet your palms are soaking wet or your forehead is dripping with sweat for no apparent reason? You are listening to the Health Facts and Home Remedies for Managing Hyperhidrosis, an audio edition of the Health Feature authored by Dr. Chirumamilla Murali Manohar, MD Ayurveda. Coming to the point, sweating is actually a very helpful process. It is your body's built-in cooling system, like a radiator in a car. It's perfectly normal to sweat when you're angry, embarrassed, nervous, or even a little scared. However, when the sweating becomes erratic and excessive, a condition known as hyperhidrosis, it becomes a real trouble in our daily lives. Interestingly enough, people with this condition might find themselves sweating even when the temperature is perfectly cool. While it often starts just on the palms of the hands or the soles of the feet, in some cases it can spread across the entire body. To put this into perspective, you might wonder why this happens to some and not others. Remarkably, it is usually a genetic condition, meaning it's something often passed down through families. Building on that thought, let's look at how we can manage this using nature's pharmacy. One of the most effective remedies involves a simple mixture of coconut oil and camphor. Take 1 cup of coconut oil and add about 10 grams of crushed camphor, mixing it well until it forms a smooth paste. By applying this to the areas where you sweat the most, the cooling properties of camphor work to calm the overactive response of your skin. Next, we should talk about what you put into your body, as internal balance is key. Does that resonate with the idea that you are what you eat? What's particularly noteworthy here is the power of tomato juice. Drinking just 1 cup of fresh tomato juice every day can be life-changing for those who sweat excessively. Precisely because tomatoes are rich in antioxidants, which are natural molecules that protect your cells, they help regulate your sweat glands from the inside out. Looking at it from a different angle, keeping your internal body temperature stable is vital. Another important remedy is as simple as staying hydrated by drinking 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Additionally, eating grapes is a wonderful way to keep your system cool. Paradoxically, we often think that drinking more water might make us sweat more, but it actually helps your body stay cool so the sweat glands don't have to work overtime. Finally, remember that excessive sweating can be embarrassing, but it is a manageable condition. By using these gentle natural tips and maintaining a cool internal environment, you can feel more comfortable and confident in your own skin. Stay hydrated, stay cool, and embrace the balance that nature provides. Would you like me to create a similar conversational guide for managing body odor or other skin-related concerns?
That concludes this episode. Thank you for listening. I hope you found this information valuable. If you have any questions, feel free to share them in the comments. Until next time, take care of your health. Namaste.
Dr. Murali Manohar Chirumamilla, MD Ayurveda. Raksha Ayurvedalaya, plot number 13, Rammurthy Nagar, CBCID Colony, Hyder Nagar, Kukatpalli. Landmark, Metro Train Pillar A663, Hyderabad. Pin code number 500085, Telangana State. Phone numbers 9246575510, 9177445454. Email address muralimanohar2008@gmail.com. Timings 9:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. Sunday 8 a.m. to 2 p.m.